Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously, create dozens of quick lists, display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, January 4th, 2017. The markets are going up this morning. So many things are happening. Nothing very consistent. Some sector goes one way and then the other way. And just before this show, many things has changed direction again. So it's pretty hard to evaluate how strong is this movement going up because of the market indices in some case. In Japan, it's the manufacturer index that shows an expansion of the activity from 51.3 to 52.4. And in London, the composite index from the Eurozone is went from 54.4. It was 53.9 to 54.4, and they say that the inflation is accelerating a little bit. To me, it seems like a good reason to justify the movement, but I don't think the market should go better, that much better because of that. I don't want to appear so negative, but to me it seems like it's a little bit later than usual because it goes up in the morning and most of the time it's going down at this time. It just started again to come back in some movement. We have a hard time. You know, it's a top. It's a market top, and the market behave like a top, and so it is. Until we have a market that takes a clear direction, it is very difficult to increase the position right now. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it looks bad. You know, the energy sector is still definitely within its sideways movement. You know, just yesterday it started up and then went down. So this sideways movement is getting longer and longer and longer. And until we get the final signal, I don't think we should participate in that. And the gas also is going down. So the crude oil is bouncing back, but the gas still goes down. And as you can see, the stock aren't doing anything. So Savannah shows the end of this bullish cycle. Peyto is breaking down in a downtrend and beginning of the bearish cycle, while Canadian Energy Service is continuing his up cycle. For most of the other stock, they're all totally sideways. Not much movement as the index is showing. So there are exceptions, but in most cases, we don't have the direction yet. Now it's the gold. Since this morning, we have seen the gold going up. Let's see it in 15 minutes here. So so this morning, the market rose right there in the gold and at yesterday's high, and we were waiting for a new top on it. So let's now put it in 5 minutes to see it clearer. And we're back to this point again within a sideways movement. So let's see it now in 1 minute. So you see, that's where we are right now. So the market just shows a little push, but I was expecting to see the gold index and the gold stock index to go up if the market would come back down. It did not happen because the market is going up, so the gold has been quiet. But now at this level, many sectors starts coming down, and we see like it's just like the gold would come back up. And this morning it was very funny what was happening, because you see the gold was going down, but the gold stock the gold was going up, sorry, and the gold stock were going down. In the last hour, the market came right back to the 0 point. But if the gold is to go higher, and we have a chance to see that. We have a chance to see the gold going higher. We have a chance to see the market coming back down once more, because that's what it looks like for the moment, So I don't think the information we have on the market is justifying the movement we have. 0.77% on the Nasdaq and 44 point on the Dow Jones and 100 point more or less on the TSX. Most of the sectors are still sideways, and we have two bullish cycles among the sector, which is the telecom and the consumer discretionary, confirming not only the bottom but the beginning of a new bullish cycle. And it's not the case for most of the other that we still consider as being neutral. So so look, you see the gold at this level right now, where we could be at a few minutes to the confirmation of the new bullish cycle that will happen right here on the gold. And I presume the gold stock will follow as well. So for example, to confirm this movement, let me show you a few stocks here in the gold sector. So let's see the gold. That's the gold index, and this is let's see most important gold stock like a Barrick Gold. So right now it's coming back down. So we'd like to see Barrick at over $22, and let's see Yamana Gold here. Like 405, 407. We're very close to a good signal, but I'm not sure it's going to happen. It is, make sure the signals are nice, clear, and strong, before entering in the market, because the market changes direction every hours. So look, consumer discretionary begins the new bullish cycle, and the telecom as well. But in this, the financials are back to the top with the low volume. The industrials are going back up within the sideways movement with low volume. Real estates are going up. Utilities stays where they were. Healthcare is seems to be during a correction, but it's not the case. A couple of stocks are going down, but a few stocks are going up, and we have a movement in the biotech in the States. I'll be showing you that. But right now, okay, why don't I show you that right now? So we have a second movement in a row here in the biotech, and we have a few new bullish cycle like on Ariad here. The potential is not that big because there are such a big resistance at 14 bucks, but it's still a stock on the move. And a few like Oxygen yesterday started, and this morning has had a very nice ride with many nice movement. We had that stock in in the top 5 intraday, and also Immunogen and Pacific Bioscience and Photomex. So, you know, that's where the activities is today. So there's still a gold a movement to be watched, and the one in the biotech right now.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Healthcare is still pushing up right now, and in some cases, the stocks are going the other side. So it's coming down again on the energy sector and the mining sector, and so the gold. So what's going to happen here? See, the gold now did not, I was waiting for this movement a few minutes ago, and it's coming down the other way. And the gas is just about to break down, while the crude oil seems to be ready to break out. But there's still a volatility, but we have a hard time finding the right moment to get in. Let's see on the healthcare. Prometic has reached the end of its bullish cycle. It's a profit taking right now. We have to wait and see until when this correction will happen. I think it's going to stay around this price. And Knight Therapeutics is also doing a small correction. But while CRH is breaking out, Valent, that was doing bad this morning, going down and then down again, finally, oops, changed direction, and I think is profiting of the movement on the sector. Extendicare also is pushing up. Terra Technology, you know. So we have a little movement even on CXR. No, I have to have a 5-minute chart in order to see this one. Okay, so it's the second day. So at 3:20, we'll have a new buy signal on CXR. Signal we haven't had since quite a bit. So let's go to a few questions here. TMD, is it cannabis? TMD? I don't think so. TMD, what's this? Titan Medical. No, that's not. No, I don't think so. But the stock is really riding. Ooh, 35 cents to 65 cents. But after 2 days now, it's a very big movement. But the volumes are confirming this. I don't know what they're doing. But definitely to. Pardon?
Robotic surgical system.
A robotic surgical system. Ouch. Sometime you better be operated by a robot, especially in the eyes. And it's time to take profit on that stock a little bit now. Hi, Michelle. Best wishes for 2016. Oh, thank you very much, Bear. To you and your excellent team. Thanks very much. Of course, I do have an excellent team. What do you think of Anamix? Is it a buy? Well, it looks like it. It looks like it. It's a very positive movement. What's happening? What's the lithium list, Max?
Page 11.
11. Let's see. Oh, the global lithium is going up. So who's moving? Nemaska. He's the only one. Lithium America is breaking down. Oh, Nemaska, Albemarle. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Among all of my list. Oh, you know. So I think it's pretty good. Look at it. Okay, so it looks good. See this. Okay, so it's an upward movement. The volume is great. I mean, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. You know, the risk is 132 to 120. So there's 12 cents. Sorry, I was gonna achoo. Okay, we have a push now on healthcare, technology, even the TSX and everywhere. Okay, what's happening here? Okay, so the market refuses to do any more correction. The Dow Jones is to be watched here at this double resistance we had for this morning, the TSX as well. So everything's looking back good now. And what about the gold? Let's see it this way. So it's probably why. If the market comes back up, we'll see the gold going back down. So we won't have the famous signal. And on the gold, it's going to be the same too. So we must have many stocks, you know. So there could be a little movement in the afternoon if the gold goes up. But it's just like so much hesitation right now. It's trying, but it's not doing it yet. And the financials and the mining. But you know, despite the fact we have positive number everywhere, I mean, in the consumer discretionary, it is Chorus, Cineplex, and Canadian Tire. Well, we has no potential, $2 on 140, and Auto Canada that has been performing. It's not costly for the market, 100,000 share, and Martin Ria, you know, not important stock, and Magna only came back within its support. So that looks to me like a real market rescue. You know, if I would find very good signal. I mean, but the volumes are not there anymore, anywhere, on no stocks. Cogeco Cable, okay, this one is better than the other one. Has 67.5 to 70, so 5% potential on the upside there. That's all. And the financials are going up. New high on Royal Bank. That's the only one. And industrials, if you have to add, you know, there's no new bullish cycle on the Canadian National Airways and neither on CP, but it's a positive number that is adding. Look who is the star today of the industrial. It is Bombardier. Remember that we have analyzed this stock so many times, and I've always been saying in the last few weeks that 225 was the breaking point on the upside, which was the buy signal, and this is it. And I mix UGAZ. Okay, UGAZ is on the gas, but you know, UGAZ. So UGAZ is doing like the gas. So you got it at 29. If I were you, I would. Is a buy at 29? No, it's just it is plunging. The volume is increasing. I think it's pretty dangerous to buy it at that price. And Wyland, is it a good buy at 22.33? Look, if you look at that on a 15-minute chart here, we are just about it. You want to buy that stock? I'd suggest that you buy it at 235, 237. If it reaches this, because so far I'm a little worried about that because it's going. Look, very simply, I'm going to end this program with that. You know, the bullish cycle and the uptrend is going up on a decreasing volume. So that is a very big diversion. So makes me not to believe in this. So I'd say, okay, buy it at 240. Thank you very much for attending, and we'll see you next Wednesday on the Swing Trading Show.